Good morning, ma'am, and my dear friends. My name is Gagan from Class 6A, standing in front of you to show this science project. Before starting the demonstration of my science project, I want to tell you why I created this project. Last Sunday, when I went to market with my parents to buy some grocery things, when I look at the road, many vehicles are brushing here and there, and so much of pollution is consumed. So that I thought that from my side, how can I help the government to reduce the use of electricity and to reduce the use, then to make less use of electricity and make less pollution. Then I imagine that in where the roads cannot be created in geographical areas like hilly areas, hill stations, rivers, and many etc. things where the geographical area is not able to construct the roads. So I thought that let's make this ropeway in that area so that people can travel one place to another place. This principle works on application of hydraulic fluid. It is nothing but application of Pascal's law. Pascal's law is nothing but if you give once if you, Pascal's law is nothing but if you give less force at one side, the multiple forces create on another side. By this we can lift many rocks, many means we can tell that we can lift many heavier or weight objects, okay, or things. Now, like I will tell how I made this. I have took 2 sticks and 4 syringes and a pipe, and I took a copper wire and I made a cabin where the passenger can sit, and I make a ladder, folding ladder, so that if the passenger is stuck in the middle, how he can go? So that I have made this folding ladder so that he can climb down and go easily. Then I for this let's start. I took a table and 2 equal length sticks and I attached it to the table with help of tape. And I took a syringe and attached to another syringe with the help of this pipe. In this, we should pour the non-compressible liquid. So that water is a non-compressible liquid. So that I took water. In real life, if you want to do this, we should take hydraulic fuel. I have two pairs like this, and I took a copper wire and attached to this and this side, other side and other side equally. And I take this ring and kept in middle, and I have made this ladder and the cabin where passenger can be seated. Now I would want to travel this passenger to point A to point B and take back him to point B to point A. Let's start. When I give like this pressure at one side, the passenger can go to one side to another side. Means point A to point B. Let's take him back to his home. Oh, he finally reached to his home. Bravo! Successfully, I took the passenger and take back him to the same place. Now, you may have doubt why it is called Pascal's law. What is telling? Then, this principle is working. This principle is invented by the Pascal, so that it is called as Pascal's law. And thank you, ma'am. From yourself, the help is to give this project to the government so that they can take this. By seeing this project, they can construct it in hilly areas, waterfalls, and many other things, and many other where the roads cannot be constructed by its geographical land or area. Thank you, ma'am.